Welcome back, everybody. Toyota New Bern Collision Center. I'm Garrett. This is Chad. We're going to do our monthly drawing. Again, we appreciate all the feedback we get online. We really like the reviews. We're going to draw 2 names this month and give away a couple $100 gift cards. So, Chad, draw our first number. Our winner is Robert Hess.
Robert Hess.
All right, draw us another one.
Here we go. That's a good one.
Our second winner is going to be Joanne Manley.
Joanne Manley.
We'll call Joanne and Robert, get them down here and give them a couple $100 gift cards. As always, thank you for using Toyota New Bern Collision Center.